All right, so today we are doing a video on how to place a party order in the MySales system. So what you're seeing right now is our back office, which is our Salesforce website, and you're gonna see my layout. So it will be different for everyone who is currently in different levels and different layouts. But you have to go to your MySales, which is on top. Click that. And there's different options you can go. You can go place order or wherever you want, but place order will take you straight to the place order section. Now, this will be your party summary, and then I'll get you to click on party history to the top left of your screen. To set up a party order that has a host and host reward, make sure to click on Start New Party. Then click on the party drop down. It'll take you to a different screen. Just set up party. So here I'm gonna do a sample party. Click party date, whichever when your party is gonna be submitted or has been held. So I would say I am submitting it tonight because my party was held today. I had an attendance of 6 people. And these are all shipping to consultant, which is to me. And I do recommend, if your hosts are local to you, to ship to consultant. That way you can sort through the orders yourself and make sure everything is okay before delivering them. Now, when you click on consultant, your shipping address also automatically update to your shipping address. So make sure that's accurate. Then I would put in my sample host name and her address. So this is basically all the information of your host. Make sure it's ready to go. Her email will be here as well, especially if she is being Tupper connected for a party. So I'm not putting in the email just because I have quite a few lineups already, and this is just a sample email. Click next when you're done. Now it's just gonna basically take you to the customer order section. Now I like to keep it simple for my new team members. So I recommend when they click after their first next, always use the quick links function, which is the blue highlighted menu on the very top near the customer order page, just right there. Quick links, and then it'll basically open another menu. It's basically a summary of all the sections in this party order, and it helps you just basically see all of the sections you can go straight to. So instead of keeping on clicking next until you get to a portion, you can actually go straight to where you want to go. So right now, I want to go to fill in a customer order. So add new customer order. And then now this is going to tell you you're in a customer order. This order is for a customer or a consultant. Now there's 2 types, right? So if you are placing for a customer, then obviously you need to click customer. If you're placing for a consultant, which is yourself, click on consultant. Now put that customer and first name, say customer 1, and her information. You can also skip this information, but I like to have it with me because it becomes a database for later. Click next, and it's also her billing address for any credit card payments. Now, after you click next, it's gonna take you to the item entry page, which is gonna collect that customer's order. Now, let's say, for example, she's ordering a sale item. So I put in the item code and only one set of that item. Now I click verify, and it'll automatically populate that order description and the prices. Now the price is gonna show you the retail price and the retail total, which is the current going price of that item or the current sale price of that item. It's also going to show you a cost column or a cost total column just to show you that this is basically your cost for yourself when you either pay the items yourself for your own purchases. Now, this is all this customer is going to want. So I'm going to click next. Now this is going to verify all your order entry for that customer. This is going to verify how much she owes you in total after shipping and taxes. There is a shipping of $3.95 for each customer. That is a handling fee for getting that product to you, which is a $3.95. So I'd recommend always following this order in your receipt so that you're not short of your total cost to charge the customer. Now, if your customer is paying in cash, this question is gonna go with that question. Is she paying with cash? Then you say, is she paying with credit card? Or is it being used in this order? Then it depends, right? No if it's cash, and then yes, absolutely. Then you just follow 69.87 is her charge for a card. If it's Visa and MasterCard, then that applies as well. And now this one has all the billing information right away populated because you have entered it earlier. Now if she's only paying in cash, then click no. Basically the money is in your hand, and Tupperware is gonna collect the total due at the very end using your card. All right, click next. Now this one's gonna tell you all the summary already of all the orders that you have entered thus far per customer. If you have more, then let's do more. Add new. I do go back to quick links, then add new customer order. So much easier that way. Customer 2, and let's say I don't enter an address, and then just click next. So we're back to item entry. Let's see what she wants for this customer number 2. Now this customer number 2 wants another sale item. She wants 2 sets of this item. Click 2 and then click verify, just so when you click verify, it basically saves your input so that you can go back to this item later on, even if you don't finish processing the entire party. Now this one has 2 quantity of $129 item, so that's $258 total retail, and then of course the cost applies there too. So the cost is basically showing you 25% off $129. Again, you're charging your customer whatever is the current going price. This is also gonna verify what item it is that she's ordering. Click next. If she's paying, this is again a customer order summary. It's gonna verify how much is the total that you're gonna charge her card or give her charge that she will owe you for that order. Click yes or no if it's cash or credit card. I can't sample the credit card today, so I'm just gonna keep clicking no. Click no and then next. Sorry. Now we're done with our customer order. This is everything that was ordered at the party. So I'm now going to input whatever my host is ordering if she has any. If she doesn't have any, I'm just gonna go collect all her host rewards for her instead. So I did quick links again, and I'm gonna find add new host order, which is right there. Everything for my host information is here. Click next. And my host wants an item for herself as well. There's a sale item that she wants to purchase for herself. So I'm gonna put that in right here, quantity 1. Click verify, and it's an apple core. And that's what she wants for herself. Now everything else she can earn for free or for half off if her party qualifies. But her own personal orders, which is not, but her own personal orders also can count towards party sales. So I want to make sure I enter those personal orders as well that she's not using to use towards her free credits and half off. Now I'm gonna click next. A small pop-up window will come out to ask me if I want some sales aids for myself as a consultant. I'm gonna click no, click next again. And then it's gonna show me that the party total is $330. My host qualify for $33 value host credits that she can apply towards any regular price item from the catalog. It's also telling me that she qualified for a host gift because her party exceeded $200 or more, but she doesn't qualify for all of the other stuff. However, she does qualify for 1/2 off because she did exceed the 325 party sales. Now to use that, you need to, the thank you gift first. Say for example, she wants a Tatsa bowl. Just click on the code and it automatically populate on the item entry area below with the correct drop down menu. Click verify so that it saves. Now if she wants a specific item that is currently in the catalog for a 1/2 off, or I mean it's either a 1/2 off or free item. Now she wants a fridge mark mediums. I put the entry code and then quantity 1, and that's, I'm gonna use a free Tupperware item type because it's using the free credits, and she is only able to use this towards a regular price item from the catalog. She has a $250 in difference that she's gonna pay, and that's okay. Now she's qualified for 1/2 off, so she wants more fridge marts sets for 1/2 off, quantity 1, because she can only avail of 1. Drop down 1/2 off item, click verify. And then that's it. Now she does have datings at this party, so I'm gonna add those datings as well before I finish. Now I'm gonna do quick links, add dating, and then I'm gonna put in when that date's gonna be. So just for example, I'm gonna add that. Yeah, she has another dating. Dating means that it's a friend of hers that wants to do a party. And I'm gonna put that in, click verify. Just gonna populate that, click next. Now she has all of her customer order, her own orders in there, and then 2 datings for a friend. Now when you have 2 datings at a party, that could also be beneficial for the host and for yourself. For yourself, because that means you're ready for another 2 parties to build your business. But the host could qualify for exclusive items that she can use instead of the shopping spree as a host. So say for example, she wants the multi-cooker at $850 in sales, or the set of host items at the $600 in sales. She can now get that because she has 2 datings. All right. Now let's proceed to how to finish this order. Click next again after collecting the host rewards. The host is ready to pay for a total order. She does have a $395 shipping as well as a host. Every host does have that, and every customer does as well. It's gonna show you the difference in $250 for the free credits, and then the 1/2 off items and Apple Core. So she's paying with her credit card. Enter all of that there. If not, click no. Then click next. This is basically everything has to be paid in here. So everyone paid in cash. Basically, Tupperware is gonna collect the final total of every single order using your credit card. Or if there's no balance in here because every single customer paid in credit card, then that means this balance would either be 0, or also you have to pay for some business expense such as a party shipping total that all consultants in Tupperware are entitled to pay, because this is basically a share of the party shipping that we all get to pay. If there is some extra items that you purchase for yourself as a consultant, this will also be added in here and offsets with whatever commission that you have earned. Make sure you have verified all orders, quantity, and payment before you hit the submit section of this party, because nothing can be changed, added, or edited once this party has been submitted. Once you submit this party and enter the last passcode that's required, your party is done, and all charges has been made on any credit cards has been applied. Anyway, hopefully this how to enter party sales.